This project demonstrates a smart security system using ESP32-CAM. When motion is detected, the camera sends an instant alert message to Telegram. This allows users to monitor activity remotely in real time. First, open Telegram and search for BotFather. Start the bot and select New Bot. Enter a bot name, then create a unique username that ends with bot. After that, BotFather will create your bot and provide a bot token. Save this token because it will be required later in the ESP32 code. Next, open the newly created bot and press Start. Send any message to activate the chat. Then open a browser and enter this to get the chat ID. Copy this chat ID because it will be required in the ESP32 program. Next, open Arduino IDE and install the required libraries. Go to the Library Manager and install Universal Telegram Bot and Arduino JSON. After installing the libraries, open the project code. In the Wi-Fi section, enter your network SSID and password. Then add the Telegram bot token and the chat ID that we saved earlier. Next, select the ESP32-CAM board and choose the correct COM port. Check the required board settings. Then click the Upload button to upload the code to the ESP32-CAM module. Now open the serial monitor and press the Reset button on the ESP32-CAM. The device will connect to the configured Wi-Fi network, which you can see in the serial monitor. Once connected, the system is ready. When someone crosses in front of the camera, it instantly sends a warning message to Telegram. As you can see, when I move my hand in front of the camera, the alert message is sent successfully.